Good morning, Madam and Sir. I am Jecca A. Castro, 36 years old, single, never been married, and no kid. I graduated 2 years diploma in Secretarial Science, then I took up Caregiver NC2. I am a licensed caregiver now. My work experience is in the year 2021 up to 2025, finished contract. I was employed there as a nanny/caregiver. My main duty there is to take good care of an elderly. He is 75 years old, then took good care of their kid 9 years old. My main responsibility is to assist in mobility, checking for vital signs and body temperature, assessing dressing, bathing, ironing of their clothes, washing their clothes, pet care, sometimes car washing, marketing, assist in tutoring the study of the kid, sending and fetching him to school, cooking, preparing good meal for them, and companionship. You can hire me, Madam, because I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, loyal, honest, easy to be with, and can work with minimum supervision. To my future employer, I promise to finish my contract, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you, and may God bless you.